Hi, welcome to dastreet.in. Here is a quick walkthrough to make you familiar with the interface. So first of all, as you must have noticed that the links are disabled until you log in or register. So first of all, you can register by clicking here. Take alphanumeric combination so that your username is unique. Say then password. Okay, repassword. Then remember to enter a valid email ID because we will be contacting you on this email ID and mobile number, and if bogus entries are found then we'll simply delete the account. So okay, college. Once you are done, then click on register. Shows congratulations, you are registered successfully. Log in to continue. Click here to log in. My username was Abhinav, DAIICT, and password I'll not be telling you. See, welcome Abhinav DICT, you are now logged in, and I can click here to log out. Now there are four links: portfolio, MySpace, how to play, contact us. First of all, I'll show you how to play. See, there are basic fundamentals in the stock markets. It is driven by demand and supply uh, dynamics. So whenever there is more demand for a share, its prices go up, and whenever the demand is less, the prices go down. And so in our game, there is maximum limit on the number of share for a particular company that you can buy. So in one go, you can buy maximum of 500 share for a company. Not in one go, in total, you can buy maximum of 500 shares of an individual company. Then there are circuit filters, like uh, if is huge buying or huge selling in a particular company, then there is a limit up to what extent its prices can go up or down. So that is called circuit filter. Here we have imposed a circuit filter of 20%. So if a company's prices have increased by 20%, then you will not be able to buy. uh, the interface might show that transaction has been successful, but that share will not figure out in your portfolio. Then unlike other stock market games, where there is live trading, or at some places admin keep on changing the prices, uh, the prices here are governed totally by the traders registered in our game. uh, the prices are governed by their activities. Then here we have just simple trading. You buy a stock and sell it, and you don't have to worry at what market price you are buying, because uh, it's uniformly applicable to everyone that stocks will be bought or sold at the prevailing market price. So these are the rules. Now I'll show you where you can buy and sell these stocks. Go to MySpace. Yeah, so if you want to know the prices of a particular company, here is a get quote section. Click on, suppose BHEL I select, and click get quote. Here it's showing the price for get BHEL. uh, Actually it has changed to Bajaj Auto, but this is the price for BHEL, the share that we selected earlier. So its current price is 212, up by 2.1 rupees, and volume is 21,000. So I'll select another, say Bajaj Auto. So see, it's down by 50 rupees. So like this you can get to know the prevailing market price of a company. Now if you want to make purchases, Suppose Whale, I will purchase two stocks. Buy. Yeah, transaction successful. Wait while the page reloads or go to portfolio for confirmation. I'll click portfolio, so it will take me to the portfolio. See, now the portfolio shows two stocks of Bhel and average buy price is 212. Now what is the average buy price? Suppose I buy two Bhel shares for 400 rupees and sell one for 500 rupees. So our buy cost was 2 into 400, that was 800, and now one we have sold one share for 500. So what amount is left is 300 rupees. So now the average price will come down to 300 rupees for one share. So like this Bhel, I'll show you. I'll purchase another share, go to MySpace, again I'll purchase Bhel, and yeah, now see the market price of Bhel. Get code, it's 2.14 rupees. It will not change much because I'm just demonstrating and no other person is trading right now. So like I purchase 100 more shares. Buy. This time I'll let the page redirect itself. See, after some time it will change again and it will come back to the MySpace where you can make transactions. Now again, see, our price for Bhel has changed a little bit, so it's showing a profit of 8 paise, and I have invested some amount. So out of my uh, initial 25 lakhs that I was allotted, I am left with this 24 lakh 78,361.8 rupees. Rest amount I have invested in Bhel. Again I'll check the portfolio. See, now the average price is 212 rupees 14 paise and there is a profit of 8 paise. Now I'll go and show you what happens if you try to buy more than 500 shares. Again, I have 102. I'll buy, suppose 102 and 399. Buy. It will still show transaction successful, but when you will check back in the portfolio, you will not have those shares. Yeah. Now I'll check back the portfolio. One more thing, if the site works slow, then click the link again and it will reload. See, earlier also we had 102 shares of Bhel and still we have 102 shares. That was because the quantity specified by us was 399. 399 plus 102 makes it 501, so that order was not executed. Okay, so here we'll show the rankings, the top traders who are at the top, and there will be prizes for top 20 players. And in case you have any doubts, you are free to contact us. I'm Abhinav Tripathi, and another coordinator is Anik Shah. You can reach out to our Facebook too, Facebook page also. Here it is, dastreet.in. So coming back to DA Street. Yeah. Now suppose you want to change password. Click here, change password. Here are the fields. It's important that you remember your username, email ID, register mobile number, and then you supply the new password. So if you provide any bogus entries for email ID and register mobile number, then you will not be able to change the password too. And as it is, we have decided to delete the